শুনো শূন্য থেকে আজ ডটের রাজা।
Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to introduce my brand new product, the Neon Pop Art Photoshop Action. If you love bold, vibrant and comic style artwork, this action is going to be game changer for your photos. This is the cover photo. See? This Photoshop action instantly transform any photo into a colorful pop art effect with glowing highlight. Here what you will get inside the download: main file, Photoshop ATN file, and step-by-step guideline, support, notepad file. See our after and before looking, and color variation. You can change the color, control everything. See the HD quality, it's great looking. Support any size of image, any large size. See the colorful model. You can change color, control everything. Freehand customization possible. No skill required. See, there is, we show 3 color, but you can unlimited color combine possible. Original image. So now I show you how to use it and custom it. See, first go my download file. There is show help file, action, ATN format and cover image. Okay, you can read the help file. There is some information include how to use written format and video and our supporting information. Okay, so load our action first. Select and double click is load Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go window and click the action option. Maybe action button show the right side, but I have settled it left side for better showing purpose. Now more option, click this option and load button click. Now find out my download file, main folder, go there, and there is the Neon Pop Art Photoshop action. Select and load button click. Now it's loaded. This is the up and down button. This is the folder and this is the our script. Now open a photography. You can open any type of photography. I have opened this photography. Now make sure your photography is a good quality, good lighting, shading, then it's work nicely. Better than better result come out if your photography is perfect, lighting, shading and everything is perfect. Okay, so now check out the your photography color mode. Check out the RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode, click the RGB color mode. If show any message, OK button click, and make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like transparent PNG or layer 0 format. That is not accept our action. So you need to, if your photography transparent PNG and layer 0 format, you need to fix it first, then apply our script. Right button click your mouse and fit an option click. Now is set a lock background layer, and you can use any size of image, and I just check out the size, and my video time saving purpose I have typed there 300 pixel, any of area for my time saving purpose. If I use the large size image, then our script needs some time extra, so I have used the standard size. This is our photography, and you can check out oil painting filter is oil paint is available in your Photoshop. Okay, then select all in on, play action, play me, and hit the play button and start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. This is working, and we have work more and separate all layer and combination all. Okay, now I show you something. Visit my on site. This is my on site, www.photoshopaction.net. You can visit my site and download my flash sale discount product available there. Flash sale checkout, 40% discount my all product, and check out the bundle section. The extended license available in bundle section. 99% discount available in bundle section. Some of bundle, not all bundle. And download free file and categorize the others. Free file available, you can download free file section. See, also you can watch the free file video tutorial and the download link. Find out, subscribe my YouTube channel MRI Kokon. See, there is the free file and download link, include this video, and download my all file in Creative Market Shop MRI Studio. You can download all file there, and check out my graphics river profile MRI Kokon. There all product are QC product. Okay, I think it's done now. The brush tool is already selected, so you can change are needed. So this is the tricks. You just watch my video, then this message is solved. This is the finishing message and guideline to help something. Okay, this is the default result. So now you can combine everything, and this avastic background is auto making. You can change this avastic background and change background color and combine anything, or also you can customize this effect, and there is all effect available. Okay, here are the some example create with this section. As you can see, and the results are bold, going and professional looking, perfect for poster, portrait and social media graphics. So now I introducing everything. Then there is the background, on background and another background, and on color background. You can change this color, double click this option, and you can change color, just OK button click, or pick your photography color. See, just OK button click, now color is replaced, and another avastic background, another color. If I use this one this time, or you need to fade like this one, you can fade, and you can need to color changing, double click this option, and you can change the color very easily. But in this time I do not need this change. This is the looking photo effect now show. See, and there is the another photo effect. See, another photo looking, and another one, and another one, and another one. See, and there is the shade option. You can uncheck this shade, and another looking now. I think I need to this and hide this one, and there is another shading. I just use this one, this combine, and this is the our outline photo stock. See, and you can custom it. And you don't like this is the bold style, and this is the light style. See, okay, I set up this one now, and this is the controlling. Double click this option, you can make it bold and light. See, I think this one is a perfect. Same again, if you don't like this one, you can use this bold option and control this one. Double click this option, threshold, and you can control the outline. Select OK, and I have marks this option. Use this marks, and brush tool, select and brush the area. Make sure this photo stock outline purpose in select marks option, this white option, so you need to black top. Now brush, and some area you can remove very easily the black outline in without our target area. I just brush some of area. Okay, now it's set up. If you like this one, you can do again this one, select this marks, done. I think it's done now. And now if you want to realistic lips, eye, and others area need to realistic look, you can use this one. We mentioned the layer, check out this layer, photorealistic leaves, eye, brush here. So select this marks, the black area, and you can brush. Make sure you now in this black masking purpose you can use the top color is white. Make sure top color is white. Now you can brush is our realistic eye and leaves area show. See, done. I think it's good now. Okay, and there is the supporting option, you can use it, and another one color version, this is the real color, and there is the now abstract color pop art style, and this is the another glowing art dynamic color combination, and this is the highlighted realistic color, but I have used this one. You can use this one and uncheck this one, there is another looking. So I have unchecked this one, and this is, there is the marks option. You do not like the background, you want to your own background, just right button click and disable this marks. This marks is auto, so then your background, original background is show, and right button click enable. Now our abstract background, now auto masking is now, and you can make it transparent. Just uncheck the bottom side all background option. Okay, and there is the paper option, you just uncheck the paper. Now it transparent, or if you want to paper with transparent, so you need to group. Select these three, right button click and group layer, and keyboard control. This is the hidden formula tricks. Keyboard control button and click this marks option and back this folder, our paper, and marks button click. Now is marks with our photography, and our effect is transparent now. But if you want to full of area, so do not need this. This is the one kind of tricks. Now I want to use the background, and there is the option color changing. Double click this option, you can change the color very easily, and uncheck this one, view this one. See, one color, this is the one color changer, and another color looking, another, you can combine the dual, single, another black and white color. This is the extra lighted color. You can use color extra too, then extra glowing and hard light show. Okay, now I show you another photography how it's look. If you want to create shutting neon pop art in seconds, check out the link in the description to get your copy of the neon pop art Photoshop action today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Photoshop effect and design tool. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for next photography, how to I apply another photography and how it's look. This time I have used this one. My photography is not enough size, so I have make first size at last. See, I have changed the size and RGB color lock background layer, and I have hit the play button. Okay, start working. So if your photography is not enough size, so you need to first change the size and 2500 at last. For a standard size, is result is better. You can use any size of image, don't worry about it. So it's still working, waiting for result. Now finishing. Okay, this is the result. See, Now this is the selection marks option, and you can just marks lips area first. See, eye area, nose area. Now is done. Okay, and black option, I just highlight this. See, there is the another quality. If you need the line art, so you can use click this marks option and make sure your top color is black. Now I have removed the others area. See, now is perfect. And you can use the highlight option. See, the highlight is working, and there is the photo effect. You can combine photo effect, uncheck this one, use this one and this one. There is another looking. See, the highlight is more working now. And you can color combine, extra color combine too. See, now more highlight the color. And now you can use the black and white for shading and lighting, more hard work. See, color changer, and there is the option in dark module, and this is the noise or extra. You can uncheck noise and another noise and another noise uncheck. Now only wall pen style looking. Okay, so check out my video description for download link. All profile and download link include my in this video description link. If you need any kind of help and support, join my Facebook fan page, my WhatsApp number, and you can email me.
শূন্য থেকে আজ ডটের রাজা, কমলা আকাশে জ্বলে আমার সাহসের মশাল, ফ্রিল্যান্সের পাখি।